Pajajaran, thanks to their wise king, was a beacon of hope and happiness. But one day, something bad happened. An evil sorcerer, Aki Yujana, wanted the Layang Salaka Domus for himself. He wanted to use its magic for his own wicked plans. Aki Yujana attacked the kingdom with a scary army of demons and monsters. The kingdom was in big trouble. The once peaceful land was now filled with fear. King Siliwangi knew he had to do something fast. He realized only the Layang Salaka Domus could stop Aki Yujana. The charm had to be found. It was hidden in a secret place. King Siliwangi called for his brave son, Prince Mundinglaya. The prince was known for being brave, wise, and kind. The king gave him a dangerous mission: find the Layang Salaka Domus. Mundinglaya accepted the challenge right away. He knew his kingdom was in danger. He was determined to save his people from the evil Aki Yujana. The prince started his journey, carrying the hopes of everyone in Pajajaran. He was ready to face anything to protect his people. Mundinglaya's journey was long and dangerous. He had to climb steep mountains and go through dark forests. He met many magical creatures and spirits. Each encounter tested his strength, courage, and wisdom. But Mundinglaya never gave up. He knew his kingdom was counting on him. He had to trick a clever crocodile spirit to cross a wild river. He climbed the dangerous slopes of Mount Sangabuana. There, he passed a tough test from the mountain's guardian spirit. Finally, he faced his biggest challenge. The god of destruction, Batarakala, stood in his way. But Mundinglaya, with his good heart and strong determination, managed to defeat him. After many challenges, Mundinglaya finally found the hidden cave where the Layang Salaka Domus was kept. But a scary giant was guarding the entrance. The giant challenged him to a fight. Mundinglaya was tired from his journey. He knew he couldn't beat the giant by fighting. Instead, he was kind and humble to the giant. He told the giant about his mission to save his people. The giant was so moved by Mundinglaya's kind heart that he led him into the cave. Mundinglaya's kindness worked where strength couldn't. He got the Layang Salaka Domus. His mission was complete. He went back to Pajajaran a true hero. With the Layang Salaka Domus, he defeated Aki Yujana and sent the evil sorcerer away. Pajajaran was safe again. The people were so happy he was back. They showed him lots of love and thanked him. Mundinglaya had saved his people and his kingdom. The story of Mundinglaya is about courage and never giving up. It teaches us that a good heart can overcome anything. It reminds us that kindness is very powerful. This story still inspires people in West Java today. Mundinglaya remains a symbol of hope and bravery. He reminds everyone that even when things are bad, good will always win.